Good, it is being recorded. Okay, wonderful. I had left the sound out of the last one, so we're going to do it again. Basically, we're here, day 64, clearing box 5, preparing for the foundation, and we're cutting away, and this will be the last box we have to clear before we actually lay the foundation, or actually before we completely make sure the area is clean, laying killing the roots or stopping the root growth under the foundation area and laying various barriers to stop roots from growing in and protect the foundation. So this will be the last day of cutting and clearing, thank goodness. And we will be doing that, doing that, doing that. In addition, also clearing area for the sewage, and as well clearing an area for the septic to be cleared, as well as just a minute, I'm thinking of it. Oh, the septic as well as the well. So this is day number 64. We're clearing out the area. Next, we will be clearing the area for the septic and for the water. And then we'll be going on to lay the barriers down for the foundation, and which actually we're very happy about. You can reach us with any questions about if you happen to need tree cutting in Florida at 1-888-996-66. Wait, 1-888-996-6007. If you're interested in building your own new construction home, give us a call at toll free 1-888-996-6007. That's Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you have questions about new construction, we are your new construction consultants. And give us a call at 1-888-996-6007. Really looking forward to providing a home with you or for you with our luxury home builder and our general building contractor in Florida. If you would like to reach out to us by email, you can reach us at P as in Port, C as in Charlotte, F as in Florida, home 2023 at gmail.com. That's PCFhome 2023 at gmail.com. If you would like to go online and see our actual homes or see the Avalon home or go through the actual virtual showroom, you can do that at P as in Port, C as in Charlotte, F as in Florida, home.com. If you have any questions, please call us at 1-888-996-6007. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a good day, have a good week, and have a good life. Come home to PCF Home. Clearing out the last box before the foundation, or actually before the septic and the well and the foundation. Take care. Bye bye.